Good day, guys. Good day, guys. I hope you are well. Today, we are going to deal with biological term. We are starting. 1.2. It says that give the correct biological term for each of the following descriptions. Write only the term next to question number in the answer book. So 1.2.1, it says that a blood vessels that supplies the heart tissue with oxygen and glucose. This is simple, guys. You know that the blood vessels that supply the heart with oxygen and glucose is what is coronary artery. Let me write here. Okay, guys, let me fix this something. Guys, let me fix this. It's technical error. Coming. We are back. We know that the blood vessel that supply the heart tissue with oxygen and glucose is what is coronary artery. Let me write here. This is coronary artery. So now we are going to 1.2.2. 1.2.2 it says that about 250 million years ago, all continents were joined to one large continent known as. So you know this the continent it was Pangaea. So let me write Pangaea. So this one it was also simple. 1.2.3 it says that the height of the land above the sea level. You know this one is height of what? Altitude. For for those who are doing geography, I'm sure you are well acquainted with this. So we go to 1.2.4. It says that the part of the earth where living organisms occur and is a global sum of ecosystem. This one is biosphere. Even this one, it is also simple. Just write biosphere. So we're going to 1.2.5. 1.2.5, it says that position of an area in relation to the sun. This one is what is aspect. As you know that when area is facing the sun, that position is called what is called aspect. So 1.2.6, a group of food chains arranged to show how feeding of organism is connected. So this one, uh, this is food web. It's more likely the same with food chain. So this one is food web because this one is a group of food chains. We're moving to 1.2.7. 1.2.7 says that the process of finding out the edges of rock and fossils using radioactive elements. So this one, you know, that is radiometric dating. We are done with 1.2. We are moving to 1.3.1. So 1.3.1, it says that write, let me write 1.3.1, 1.3.2, 1.3.1. point, uh, sorry, this 1.3.3, and this one 1.3.4. So the question reads as follows. It says that indicate whether each of the description in column uh, 1 applies to A only, B only, both A and B, or none of the items in column number 2. That is Roman figure 2. Write A only, B only, both A and B, or none next to the question number in the answer box. So this means that if you write A and you exclude only, you are not going to be awarded marks. So make sure, guys, that you must write A only or B only, yeah, so that you can obtain full marks. So we are starting. So 1.3.1, to which kingdom does the lion belong? So you know that lion is not the lion is not a plant, is what is the animal. So we are going to write what A on. So that's the answer. 1.3.2 pumps the deoxygenated blood from the body to the lungs. So we come here and check. Okay, does the right ventricle pumps the oxygenated blood? Yes. But what does the left ventricle does? It pumps what? It pumps oxygenated blood. So this one we rule it out. So we are left with what? A only. So we're going to 1.3.3. 1.3, it says that the type of fossil dating wherein sediment is laid down on top of each other and the oldest rock will be below the upper layer. So we go and check that uh, it is it radiometric dating? No. Why is it not radiometric dating? Because radiometric dating is the process of finding out the edges of rock and fossils using radioactive element. So, which it means that relative dating is the answer. So we write A only. So we go to 1.3.4, abiotic factors. So we go and check. We have light. Light is there and temperature is there. So this means that it is both A and B. So, guys, we are done. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.